In this video, we are comparing two popular website builders, 10web and Squarespace. We will help you decide which one is the right choice for your needs. Let's find out which platform suits you best. Let's start with 10web. Let's start with 10web. 10web is a modern website builder that uses artificial intelligence or AI. This makes building a website super fast and easy. It is built on top of WordPress, which is a very popular system for websites. Think of 10web as a smart helper that builds a WordPress site for you. You don't need to be a computer expert to use it. It helps you create a professional-looking website in just a few minutes. 10web is great for people who want a powerful website without the hard work. It uses Google Cloud to host your site, which means your website will be fast and safe. It is designed for businesses, online stores, and agencies. Are you ready to see how AI can build your website? The AI website builder is the star of 10web. Imagine describing your business in a few words and a full website is created for you. That's what this feature does. It generates everything: text, images, and the design of your website. You can even give it a link to a website you like and it will recreate that style for you. This saves a lot of time and effort. You don't have to start from an empty page. The AI gives you a complete website that you can then change and make your own. It's like having a web designer who works in seconds. What if you want to make changes to your new website? The AI Copilot is here to help. It works inside the website editor, which is based on a tool called Elementor. You can ask the AI Copilot to do things for you. For example, you can tell it to change the color of all buttons to blue or write a paragraph about our company history. It understands your commands and makes the changes. This makes editing your website as easy as talking to a person. It helps you fine-tune your website without needing to know any code or complex settings. 10web doesn't just build your site, it also takes care of it. It provides high-quality hosting on Google Cloud, which is very reliable. This means your website is always online and loads quickly for your visitors. 10web automatically handles all the technical stuff. It does automatic backups so you never lose your work. It also does security checks to protect your site from bad guys, and it makes sure your website is always updated to the latest version of WordPress. You can focus on your business and 10web will manage the rest. Have you ever waited a long time for a website to open? That's bad for business. 10web promises to make your website super fast. It automatically optimizes your site to get a score of 90 or more on Google's page speed test. A fast website makes visitors happy and can help you rank higher in Google search results. 10web does this by making images smaller, organizing code, and using other smart tricks. You don't have to do anything technical. 10web makes sure your site is fast on computers and mobile phones. 10web has different plans for different needs. The prices are clear and easy to understand. They have plans for starting a new site, for beginner business, and for agencies that build sites for others. The AI Starter plan is great for personal websites and small businesses. It usually starts around $10 per month if you pay for a whole year. If you need more features like for online store, the AI Premium and AI Ultimate plans are available. These plans cost a bit more but offer more power. They offer a free trial so you can test it before you buy. So, who is it for? 10web is perfect for people who want the power of WordPress without the difficulty. If you are a small business owner, this is a great choice. You can get a professional website up and running very quickly. It's also great for freelancers and agencies who build websites for clients. The AI tools help you work much faster. If you want a very fast and secure website and love the idea of using AI to help you, 10web is for you. It's for doers who want to focus on their ideas, not the technology behind them. Now, let's talk about Squarespace. Squarespace is an all-in-one website builder. This means it gives you everything you need to get your website online. You get a website builder, hosting, and a domain name all in one package. It is famous for its beautiful and modern looking templates. A template is a pre-designed website that you can customize. You don't need to know how to code or be a designer to use Squarespace. Its drag and drop editor is very easy to use. You can simply drag different elements like text, images, and videos into your page. Squarespace is great for photographers, artists, bloggers, and small businesses who want a stunning online presence. Want to know if Squarespace is your perfect match? Stay tuned to find out more. Squarespace is famous for its amazing templates. They have a wide collection of designs that are clean, modern, and beautiful. These templates are made by professional designers. No matter what your website is about, you will find a template that fits. They have templates for blogs, online stores, portfolios, restaurants, and more. The best part is that all of their templates look great on mobile phones. This is very important because many people will visit your website from their phones. With Squarespace, you can be sure your website will look great everywhere. With Squarespace, it's as easy as moving things around on your screen. The editor is very simple and intuitive to use. You can add text, images, videos, and galleries by simply dragging and dropping them where you want them. You can easily change colors, font, and the layout of your pages. You see the changes as you make them, so you know exactly how your website will look. This makes creating a website fun and not frustrating. You don't need any technical skills to build a beautiful and professional website with Squarespace. Squarespace is an all-in-one solution. This means everything you need is in one place. When you sign up for Squarespace, you get the website builder, website hosting, and even a free domain name for the first year. You don't have to worry about buying hosting from one company and a domain from another. Squarespace also has built-in tools for e-commerce so you can sell products online. It also has tools for booking appointments and sending email newsletters. Everything works together perfectly, making your life much easier. Do you want to grow your business online? Squarespace gives you the tools to do that. If you want to sell things online, it's easy to set up an online store. You can sell physical products, digital products, and even services. Squarespace also has a built-in appointment scheduling tool. This is perfect for businesses like hair salons, consultants, or fitness trainers. Your clients can book appointments directly on your website. It also has the tools to help you with marketing, like email campaigns and social media integration. These tools can help you reach more customers and grow your business. Squarespace does not have a free plan, but they offer a 14-day free trial. This gives you time to see if you like it. Their plans start with Personal Plan, which is around $16 a month if you pay annually. This is great for personal websites and blogs. If you want to sell products, you'll need the Business Plan, which costs about $23 a month. For more serious online stores, they have Commerce Plans. The basic commerce plan is around $27 a month, and the advanced commerce plan offers even more features. Just like with Wix, paying for the year upfront saves you money. So, who is Squarespace for? Squarespace is perfect for people who value design and simplicity. If you want a beautiful, professional-looking website without a lot of fuss, Squarespace is for you. It's great for artists, designers, photographers, and anyone in creative field. It's also an excellent choice for businesses that want a polished and elegant online presence. If you prefer a more guided and structured building experience, you will feel right at home with Squarespace. So, which one is the winner for you? 10Web or Squarespace? If you want the power of AI to build a WordPress site quickly and want super fast hosting, 10Web is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for those who want to use WordPress without the technical headaches. On the other hand, if you want a website builder that is incredibly easy to use and has the most beautiful designs, Squarespace is your answer. It's the best option for beginners and creative individuals. The best one for you really depends on what you need. We hope this video helped you understand the difference between 10web and Squarespace. If it did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Let us know in the comments which one you are choosing and why. Thanks for watching.